Hi everyone, welcome to another daily video where we go over solutions to problems from popular math competitions. Today, we will be looking at problem 13 from the 2020 AMC8. So like before, let's start with just reading through the question. So the question says, Jamal has a drawer containing 6 green socks, 18 purple socks, and 12 orange socks. After adding more purple socks, Jamal noticed that there is now a 60% chance that the sock randomly selected from the drawer is purple, and we have to find how many purple socks Jamal added to the drawer. So with a problem like this is clearly a little lengthy, so we want to start with writing down the information that we know. So if we take it sentence by sentence, we have 6 green socks, right? So if we imagine Jamal's drawer, we would write down 6 green socks. He has next 18 purple socks, and then finally 12 orange socks. So this is just the information represented from the first sentence. So now after that, the question says that he adds some more purple socks. So let's say X, right? So let's say X represents the number of purple socks that Jamal added, right? So it says Jamal noticed that there's a 60% chance that a sock selected from the drawer is purple. So with a question like this is a 60% chance that tells us we're working with probabilities. And the probability of anything, as a quick refresher, of some event is just, it's a fraction, right? So in the numerator, you have the number of ways, or the probability is basically just how many ways you can get your desired outcome divided by the total, right? So the desired outcome in this case is picking a purple sock, right? Because they're saying that it's a 60% chance he picked a purple sock. So how many total purple socks are there in our drawer? So we have the 18 original purple socks, and then we add on the X socks that he added to his drawer. And now if he added X purple socks, then the total amount of socks is also going to go up by X. So before he added the extra purple socks, the number of total socks was 6 plus 18 plus 12, which is 36. But now it says that, again, he added some amount of purple socks, which we're calling X. So 18 plus X divided by 36 plus X basically represents the probability that he picked a purple sock from the drawer. And now we know that this is equal to 60%, and 60% as a fraction, we just write as 3/5. So now we really just have to solve this equation, which isn't too bad. So cross multiplying, we get 5 times 18 plus X is going to equal 3 times 36 plus X. So now if we expand this out, we get 90 plus 5X equals 108 plus 3X, right? And we don't want to forget the distributive property. So we multiply 5 by both 18 and by the X. And then same 3 times 36 plus 3 times X. And now if we just solve this, we get 2X equals 18, which means X is equal to 9. So now we have our value of X. And the last thing we want to do to make sure we got the question right is go back to read what is the question asking us to do, right? So the question here is saying how many purple socks did Jamal add? And if we recall, X is defined as the number of purple socks Jamal added, right? Right here. And because we know X is equal to 9, then that pretty much concludes the question because we solved for X using our equation. And so then on the test, you would circle 9 and you would move on to the next question. So thank you everyone for tuning in to the video. And if you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like, comment, or subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks to everyone for joining, and I'll see you next time.